The Growth Mission report sets out the support program needed for SME manufacturers to prosper. Verity and Fhaheen now join us to highlight key details of the blueprint and what you need to know and do.
From what we found from our discussions with our members and SMEs is the policy environment has become increasingly complex for businesses to engage with. And what we really want government to understand and what SMEs are saying, it's time that we take things back to the basics, thinking about the fundamentals of what we need to help a business grow. That is about, as you mentioned, Verity, it's the skills, it's having access to credit, which opens doors for businesses to do what they couldn't have done before. It's access to trade, because it's about exporting and ensuring that business can have access to the world. If we make sure that the fundamentals are right, and using the latest technologies such as AI, digital solutions to target businesses when they need that support, we can access that £83 billion that we're looking for, that we can add so much value to the UK.
One of the really interesting points from the report is what can we take from other countries? So other countries have actually done some great stuff to identify what are potential high growth companies and have really kind of put all the eggs in the basket.
That's a really good point there.
And I think that we had a great example from Estonia, for example, about what they do.
Yeah, I mean, one of the most interesting things we've seen from a country like Estonia is how they have leveraged the wealth of data they have in their government institutions and used AI to pool all that data together and then use that information to target people and businesses with the support that they need at the time where they might be most receptive to it.
We've had a really kind of positive reaction in response to the report. The Secretary of State for Business has positively commented on it. And I think it perfectly aligns with all the things we're hearing on industrial strategy. The fact that advanced manufacturing is one of the strategic growth sectors, the fact that they are looking at scale-up companies. We need great collaboration because we have this opportunity. And as Fhaheen said, we can't really afford to miss it. You know, if we actually add that value to our economy, we will go back into the top 10 manufacturing nations. And what a great story we would have to tell.
Hundreds of manufacturers collaborated on this blueprint. Next in this series, we'll hear the SME perspective on the Growth Mission report.